Welcome to another PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to look at how to slice or split arrays using the array slice function, and how to merge two arrays together to form one array using the array merge function. So to start with, we'll look at slicing or splitting arrays. Okay. So in order to do that, we need to create an array. So keeping with the theme of previous tutorials, I'm going to create an array on superheroes. All right, and this will just be a normal regular array with some names of heroes in there. So Hulk, Wonder Woman, Superman, and Iron Man. Just a few there. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 names of heroes in this array, which is called heroes. Okay, so what we can do now is create a new array which will basically split this array and take where we specify from, so whether it's the first item, the second item, or the third item in the array, or whatever, we can specify where we want to start cutting from or slicing from, and then take everything forward from that point on, or how many items forward that we want to take. Okay, so if that doesn't make sense, then we'll just start doing it, and hopefully that will make sense. So I'll create a new array called new heroes, and what we'll do is we'll say new heroes equals array underscore slice. All right, so array slice, and then we've got 3 arguments here inside this function. Firstly is the array that we want to take, the array that we want to cut, so that's called heroes. And then after that, we specify where we want to cut from, so the index position. So say if we want to take from Superman forward. Okay, so that would be 0, 1, 2. So Superman has the index of 2. So we say 2, and then a comma, and then we put how many elements we want to cut. So if we want to cut Superman and Iron Man, then we would say 2 elements. If we want to just cut Superman, then we just say 1. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to start cutting from index 2, and it's going to cut 2 items from that array and put them into the array called new heroes. Okay. All right, so that's array slice, and then what we can do just to display that is say for each $, new heroes, so the name of that array as value, and then we can just say echo $value, and then make a line break, make a new line after each one is displayed. Okay, we'll save that. And then we can go back to the browser and refresh, and there we go. We've got Superman and Iron Man. Okay, so it's basically split or sliced the array from index 2. Okay, so from here, and then it's taken 2 items. So what we could do is we could change that to index number 1 and take 2 items, and now it should say Wonder Woman and Superman. Yep, there we go. And then if we made it take from index position 1, but take 3 items instead of 2, then we could change that to 3. And there we go, but Wonder Woman, Superman, and Iron Man. Okay, so that is how to slice or split arrays. All right, I'm going to just delete that for now, because now we're going to look at how to merge arrays. So I'm going to get rid of that. And what I'm going to do is merge this array, so all the items in this array, with another array. Okay, so I'll create a new array called more heroes. And it's just going to be another simple array, but we'll add some different heroes to this one. So we'll add maybe Spider-Man as well, and Batman. Okay, so we've got 2 arrays, one called heroes, and then one called more heroes with some more names of heroes in it. Then what we could do is create a brand new array which will contain these 2 merged arrays. So we could create something like this, all heroes, which will be equal to array merge. So we use the array merge function. And then all we need to do is specify which two arrays we want to merge in order of how they'll be merged. So if we want to merge this one, so we want that array, and then this to join onto the end of it, so to merge those two arrays, then we can just say heroes and more heroes. Okay, now what we can do is just use a for each loop to display each value on a new line. Say for each all heroes as value, echo value, and then a new line tag. Alright, so save that and refresh. And now, not only do we get Hulk, Wonder Woman, Superman, and Iron Man, but we also get the heroes that were stored in the More Heroes array, so Spider-Man and Batman, as well. So we've merged this array, or the values in this array, with the values in this array here. Alright, so two arrays merged into one array and then displayed on the screen. Alright, so that's how to slice or split arrays and also how to merge arrays in PHP. Thanks for watching.